first 2 courses. Those first 2 courses are going to help us set up basically the entire repeat pattern of our seams for the entire way, all the way up. We're doing 7 courses here, all standard height, 16-inch, with a taper top at the top, and a couple brick ledges that we can show later. When we get the first 2 courses set, that's really going to help us just speed up the process. So there's a little bit of extra work we put into this. We zip tie each corner, horizontally and vertically, all of our seams, really get it kind of as tight as possible, because what we're doing next after we get the first 2 courses set up is we're going to level it up and down to an exact 0. After we've done the first 2 courses, we do check our dimensions. We check our chalk line, make sure it's on the chalk line, our ICF. We'll do a dimension, confirm it to our plans and to what we've built on the ICF. On this build, it's a little bit difficult to figure out square because there's so many jogs, but ideally if you had a simple rectangular square, you could do the diagonal and confirm your dimensions are within a good tolerance of 1/2 inch, 1/8. Definitely snug. And it's okay if they break. You want a little bit of tension in there. There's 2 ways of measuring. Use your measuring tape or follow out the ICF Logix. It has it on there for you. They're called bars and webs. Webs are every 8 inches, and they repeat every 8 inches, and bars are every roughly 1 inch. So that's a bar. That's your first bar. Second and third bar. Then you have a web, like I said, every 8 inches in between, right there. So with this cut, for our pattern repeat, we're 2 webs, 1, 2, and then 2 bars, 1, 2. And that would be my cut.
Try to find out the cut line, stacking line. We start from 2 corners, walk your way in, and usually we stack 2 rows first. So we're gonna put our match line here, the cut line here. So in this way, we have 2 factory ends on each side, and the cut line we only have 1 from bottom to top.
Yeah, this is form lock. You install it on the 2nd and 5th course. It's cheap insurance. It straightens your walls and makes your life a little bit easier in the long run. And it goes in real quick. Do your full lengths first, and then when your cut-offs you get there, you can just use them for the small pieces. And then here, you overlap and match the webs. Put that one down first.
Okay, yeah.
Again.
You match the web.
Yeah. So it makes the rebar easier to go down.
Yeah.
It's just a nice cheap insurance. It straightens your walls.
Perfect.
You need your drill.